You're probably looking for a way to improve your writing skills, but what do you know about search engine optimization SEO? Robert Mean SEO for large online platforms offers a more thorough guide on how to find the best dynamic writer for your website, knowing your target audience. Another important factor to consider is quality. That means finding the best possible candidate who has the experience, knowledge, and skills to write effective and compelling content. The guide includes tips on how to find the right writer, choose the right company, and connect you with the best opportunities. Finding the right writer. Search engine optimization SEO is the process of improving the visibility of a website. As stated before, it's important to outsource SEO correctly in order to ensure a good search engine ranking. There are many factors to consider when choosing an effective SEO partner, which includes their expertise and how much impact they're going to have on your website. A good way to find the right writer is to use Codecademy's Tool SEO Guide. The guide is a comprehensive guide that covers all aspects of SEO, from creating and beautifying your site to running the optimization campaign. It's a must-have for any website that wants to be seen as one of the top sites on the web. How to make the most out of your website. It can be really tough finding someone who can help you with your website SEO. Many people think too much is better than less, so when you do want someone to help you with website SEO, make sure to ask them directly. The following are 3 tips that will help you find the best dynamic writer for your website. Number 1. Check out their skills and experience. It's important to look at their skills and experience in a good light. While different people have different skills, there is a lot of interchangeability out there. That said, if you are looking for a help with website SEO, it might be worth checking out their skills and experience in order to get a sense for what they're good at. Number 2. Ask them how they would approach website optimization. If you're looking for a help with website optimization, it might be worth asking them how they would approach the process. Sometimes the answer is the same, because everyone is different. There is no one right way to do things. However, it might be helpful to think about what type of person they would be excellent at and whether or not they could help you with website optimization. Number 3. Try and selfie-proof it first. After all of this is just marketing, so maybe it's time for you to selfie-proof your work too. After all, if you're only doing it for the money, why would you do it? Why use a dynamic writer? The ability to find the best dynamic writer for your website is an important part of any website's SEO strategy. Use of a dynamic writer allows you to target your audience better by indicating which keywords they are most interested in. This can be useful if you want to improve your website's search engine ranking. They are also easy to get in the way of your work. Search engine optimization is all about optimizing your site for search engines, not about putting it up on the top of the screen. With too many SEO tools on your site, it can feel like the only way to succeed is with someone else's help. That's why using a dynamic writer is such an important part of your SEO strategy. They can help you target your audience better, which will lead to improved search engine ranking. Look for the right writer. The ability to find the right writer for your website depends on 2 factors: the business you work in and the language you are speaking. If you work in a blog platform, for example, you may need a content writer who is familiar with SEO principles. If you write for a personal site, you may need a content writer who can help you understand what is valuable in your content. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.